Samsung just got schooled. Huawei's Mate X-T has officially become the world's first trifold smartphone, and it might already be better than Samsung's upcoming Galaxy G Fold. I'm Atif here, and today we're exposing why Huawei's flexing harder in the foldable wars. Size matters, the display showdown. Leaks from Tipster Digital Chat Station reveal Samsung's Galaxy G Fold will have a 9.9-inch screen, while Huawei's Mate X-T boasts a massive 10.2-inch display. That's right, Huawei's playing the bigger is better card, and Samsung's scrambling to catch up. But here's the twist. Samsung's taking the slow and steady approach, prioritizing durability over speed. Their trifold won't launch until July, after years of R&D. Will that pay off, or is Huawei's early lead unbeatable? Battery and charging, Samsung's biggest weakness. A 3C certification leak exposed the Galaxy G Fold's Achilles heel, 25-watt charging. That's snail pace compared to Huawei's 66-watt wired and 50-watt wireless speeds. Why? Samsung's still haunted by the Note 7 fires, so they're playing it too safe. Even worse, the G Fold's battery might be smaller than Huawei's 5600 mAh pack. For a $3,000 plus phone, that's unacceptable. The global game, who will win? Huawei's crippled by US sanctions, stuck with an outdated 7nm Kirin 9000 chip. Meanwhile, Samsung's packing the 3nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a monster in performance. But here's the catch. The G Fold will only launch in China and South Korea first. Huawei dominates China, but Samsung rules globally. If the G Fold flops, it could kill trifold phones forever. Design dilemma. Inward fold versus single screen. Samsung's going inward folding, like the Z Fold, while Huawei uses a single continuous display. Pros? Samsung's design protects the screen better. Cons? No stylus support, a huge miss for productivity fans. And durability? The Mate X-T has no IP rating, while Samsung's Z Fold 6 has IP48. Still not flagship level, but better than nothing. The $3,000 question. Will anyone buy this? Let's be real. Trifolds are overkill for most. Why spend $3,000 when you could get a Galaxy S25 Ultra and a Tab S10 Plus for under $2,000? But if anyone can make foldables mainstream, it's Samsung. Remember, they pioneered edge displays and book-style folds. If the G Fold succeeds, we could see a wave of cheap trifolds by 2026. So who wins? Huawei's first to market, but Samsung's got global reach and way better chips. Drop a comment. Would you buy a trifold? And smash that subscribe button, because when Samsung unveils the G Fold this July, we'll be first to review.